Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and yes, we're doing another giveaway. This time it's the Oppo Reno4Z, or Z for my American friends. And I've got to give a big shout out to my friends over at MediaTek who've actually supplied the phone for this video today. Now I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. You just got to literally do kind of two things, click two links so to speak. So the first one is there's a link down there to Gleam. Now within Gleam, there's different ways you can enter, so you get entry points, such as following on Twitter, doing a retweet, etc, etc. So make sure you're clicking that link, doing those little tasks, and boom, you've got some entries. So what I'm also going to need you to do is click the link on the pinned comment. That's to my previous video regarding this device. And what I did is I broke down some of the main reasons why I like the Reno4Z. So go check that out and leave a comment on that video and tell me what the best feature of the Dimensity 800 series is. So that's the chipset from MediaTek that's inside this phone. So again, straightforward, two things. Click the Gleam link, make sure you got your entries for that. Click the second link that takes you to my previous video and just leave that comment with regards to the best feature that you like regarding the Dimensity 800. I mean, it could be the fact that it supports 120Hz displays, it's 5G chips out of the box, or the fact it does some super high resolution video on camera. And that's it, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I don't normally do this, but yeah, I'm doing this today. I want to say thank you for everyone that does support me, and again a big massive thank you to MediaTek for supplying the phone for you today. You will have a choice. You can have a choice of black or the white one. So this is the white one, or you can actually pick the black one, which is called, I think it's the inky black or the white dew. Again, I'll let you choose it when I do contact you if you win. Anyway people, that's it. Any questions, hit me with a comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at samjpullen. If you are new to your channel, then go on, smash that like button, you know you want to. And if you are new around here, subscribe. It's free. Honestly, it doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you won't see me, but you'll see these puppies, and you'll hear this voice in my next one. Cheers everyone.